Welcome back to Crypto Horizon. Today I have something special for you that could maximize your gains on BingX. If you want to kickstart your journey with some amazing rewards, keep watching. BingX is quickly becoming one of the most popular trading platforms, known for its user-friendly interface and diverse trading options. And now you can get even more out of BingX by using the BingX bonus code CHUCHU. Let's explore how you can make the most of it. 1. Click the link below. Start by clicking the link in the video description to go directly to the BingX registration page. 2. Register your account. Enter your email address, create a secure password, and fill out your personal details. 3. Enter the bonus code. In the referral code field, input CHUCHU. This is crucial to unlocking the full range of bonuses. 4. Verify your account. Check your email for a verification code, complete the process, and you're officially a BingX member. By using the BingX bonus code CHUCHU, you can access up to $5,300 in rewards. Here's what you can do to unlock them. Deposit funds. Make your first deposit to activate the initial bonus. Complete tasks. Head over to the Rewards Hub to find tasks like making your first trade. Completing these tasks will maximize your bonuses. Explore new user events. Participate in special events for new users to earn even more rewards. BingX offers a wide range of trading options, including spot, futures, grid trading, and copy trading, making it suitable for all levels of traders. With its intuitive platform, you'll find it easy to navigate and execute trades efficiently. Don't miss this opportunity to enhance your trading experience with BingX. Click the link below, use the BingX bonus code CHUCHU, and start trading with extra benefits today. If this guide helped you, please give it a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more crypto tips and insights. Thank you for watching, and happy trading on BingX.